Hello, this is Ashley from AT and Beyond, and today I'm going to show you how to use Canva to take a worksheet and turn it into flashcards. I have my Canva open. I just have a free Canva account. I don't have an upgraded account. And in another tab, I have the worksheet that the teacher has provided that we're going to use to make the flashcards. Students are working on the Western states and capitals, and their quiz will look like this first page where they have to label the state and then identify the capital. And the next page just has the picture of the state and the name of the state. And then if we scroll down, we will have again the state and the capital. So what we're going to do is go back to our Canva page and we're going to open up a new page. And the template we're going to use is Flashcard. And we'll just go to this first one here. It's going to open up a new tab, and then we've got some different templates we can use. And we can find a template that does not have the little pro thing on the corner unless you have a pro account. So we're looking for our flashcards, and for us, we'll just use this one right here. And it's got some stuff in here that we don't need, so we'll go ahead and take all that out. So now we have our blank template. And you can do it a couple of ways. You can have the flashcard where it has the picture of the state and then the state and the capital if you just want to practice that piece that you're going to go through. Or you can do it where you have just the blank outline of the state on the front, and then you have another matching green card on the second page that has the ability for the student to flip it over and identify the state and capital, like a quiz card and then a check card underneath. And so that's how we're going to do it. So here is our first page, and we're going to duplicate this page because again, we want the back page to match, and we're going to color coordinate them. So here we're going to start with Alaska. And so we want this picture of the outline of the state of Alaska up there for our student. So we're going to take a screenshot. From my computer, a screenshot is the Windows key, the Shift key, and the S key all at the same time. Our snipping tool will pop up, and then I can select what part of the screen I would like to capture. And so I'd like to capture just that outline of Alaska, and it automatically puts it in our clipboard, and then we can paste it over onto our first flashcard. I'm going to go back over to our worksheet, scroll down and find the information we want them to identify for our second flashcard. So we want the capital and the state. We're going to scroll down to the green one. Add a text box by going to the sidebar, hit the T, and then add a text box. Move it over to where we would like it. And then we're going to write in the information. So our state is Alaska, and the capital. And we're going to double check our spelling ingenue. And we have the information that we want the student to identify. If you'd like to, you can copy and paste the picture of the outline of the state as well. Copy, right-click, paste, and resize it. And then they have all of that information on the back of the flashcard. Next, we'll go back and we'll do one more state. We'll do California for our next flashcard. So again, we're going to take a screenshot of the outline of California, Windows key, Shift key, and S. And we're going to highlight or select the picture we want. right-click in our yellow square, paste, and there is our outline of California. I'm going to resize it so it fits in our flashcard. Scroll down to our matching yellow, and we're going to paste that picture of California again. And we're going to add our text box. This text box came out really a little bit small, smaller than our last one for Alaska. So we can either manually resize it or we can copy and paste the same text box from our Alaska flashcard so that they match, and then just change the information for the state and the capital. State California, capital Sacramento, and there we have our flashcards. When you're ready to print, you go up to Share, Download, and we're going to change it to a PDF. You can do standard or printing, either one. Both usually work. We want all pages. We'll click Download. It will download, and then it will allow you to print using your computer's print features, and it'll print out on a regular size piece of paper. You can cut them out, you can glue them back to back, the greens back to back, or you can have them as a flip, however you would like to use the flashcard. Thank you for watching Assistive Technology and Beyond, how to create flashcards using Canva. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.